Hey guys, welcome back to AI Girly. So Longcat Video Avatar 1.5 has just been released by Meituan, and it's an open source audio-driven avatar model. It's a solid upgrade over 1, runs locally, and the output quality is actually competitive with commercial tools like HeyGen and Kling. So the way it works, you give it an audio clip plus either a text prompt or a reference image, and it generates a talking avatar video synced to that audio. It also supports multi-person scenes with 2 separate audio inputs, which is something very few open source models handle right now. Now, the biggest change in 1.5 is the audio encoder. Version 1 used Wave 2 Vec 2, which reads the audio waveform but doesn't really understand speech. 1.5 swaps that out for Whisper, Large, V3.
A proper speech recognition model, and the difference in lip sync quality is immediately visible. Movements are smoother, more natural, and phoneme accurate. Beyond lip sync, temporal stability is also much better, so the character's identity stays consistent across longer clips without drifting. One more thing worth mentioning, inference in 1.5 is down to just 8 steps thanks to DMD2 distillation. So not only is the quality better, it's also faster to generate compared to 1. And there's INT8 quantization support as well, which helps if you're on lower VRAM. We'll talk about that in a second. Now, if we go to the GitHub comparison page, you can see side-by-side examples comparing this model against HeyGen, Kling, Avatar 2, Omni, Human, and more. I'll drop that link in the description. And right here you can also see a direct comparison, Avatar 1 on the left, Avatar 1.5 on the right. The improvement is pretty clear, especially around the mouth area. Okay, now let's jump into Comfy UI. So Kijai has updated his WAN Video Wrapper custom node to support Longcat Avatar 1.5. Just update the node and you're good to go. He has also uploaded a digital LoRa at rank 128 on his Hugging Face page. I'll link everything in the description. To update WAN Video Wrapper, just go to your Comfy UI manager, search for WAN Video Wrapper, and hit update. If you're on the portable version, you can also just pull the latest from GitHub directly. Make sure you're on the latest version, otherwise the Avatar 1.5 nodes won't show up. Now, at the time of recording, there's no GGUF or FP8 version available. If you find one by the time you're watching this, you can use that. I'm running the BF16 version on an RTX 4090 with 24GB VRAM, so keep that in mind. For file placement, the LoRa goes in your LoRa folder. The BF16 avatar model goes in your diffusion models folder. If you're using a GGUF version when it's available, that goes in the unet folder instead. You'll also need to download the Whisper Large V3 model separately. Kijai has it uploaded on his Hugging Face page under the models section. I'll link it below. Once downloaded, place it in the correct directory as shown in the WAN Video Wrapper documentation. The node won't load without it. Alright, so this is the Longcat Video Avatar workflow. You can see we're using a reference image of a girl doing a podcast or making a video. We have a resize node set to 720p, a WAN Video Block Swaps node for better VRAM management, the BF16 Longcat avatar model loaded here, and the LoRa connected here. One tip, if you want faster generation, increase the block swap value from 25 to 40. It'll offload more to CPU, but overall generation time actually comes down. The prompt here is, a girl is a YouTuber speaking to her subscribers in a video. And this is where you drop in your own audio. This is the new Whisper model loader using Whisper Large V3. The scheduler being used here is Longcat Discrete Euler. A couple of quick tips before I show you the output. First, keep your prompts detailed. Don't just write, a woman talking. Describe the character, the setting, what they're doing. The more context you give, the more stable and consistent the output will be. Second, the audio CFG value controls how tightly the lip sync follows the audio. The sweet spot is between 3 and 5. If the lip sync feels loose, bump it up. If it starts looking unnatural, pull it back down. Now let me show you the output.
Today, with Hey everyone! Hey everyone! Welcome to our English tutorial channel. Today, with Hey everyone! Welcome to our English tutorial channel. Today, with
So as you can see, the lip sync is pretty clean. That was just a 4-second clip. You can extend it easily by increasing the frame count. 121 frames equals roughly 5 seconds. So just multiply based on however long your audio is. I've tested up to around 13 to 15 seconds and it holds up well. I haven't pushed it beyond that yet, but it should handle more. Let me also show you one more example. I'm using this orc character with the audio.
This is orc territory. Greetings. You are not welcome here.
This is orc territory. Greetings. You are not welcome here. The prompt is, a creature is speaking, running at 8 steps with Longcat Discrete Euler. And here's the result. Pretty impressive for an open source model. The non-human character generalizes really well, which was a known weak point in 1. You can also enable Torch compiler settings in the node for better VRAM efficiency if you need it.
You are not welcome here. Leave. This is orc territory. Greetings. You are not welcome here. You should leave.
So, to quickly summarize what makes 1.5 worth using over one better lip sync with Whisper: large, v3, faster inference with 8, step distillation, more stable long-form output, and it works on non-human characters too. It's honestly one of the most complete open source avatar models available right now. So that's Longcat Video Avatar 1.5 inside Comfy UI. All links, the model, the LoRa, the WAN Video Wrapper node, the Whisper model, and the comparison page are in the description below. If this was helpful, hit like and subscribe to AI Girly. Thanks for watching.
Everyone, welcome to our English tutorial channel. Today, we're diving into easy, everyday phrases that you can use in conversation.
This is orc territory. Greetings. You are not welcome here. You should leave.